What's up, guys? Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and today I'm going to kind of blow the lid off something that's been under wraps a little bit. Coming soon, we're actually taking a few more partners on, so stay tuned if you're interested in owning your own software or starting a software company. That's what I did about a year ago now, and it's been great. But all that being said, if you're new to the channel, this is kind of what I'm into. I do software, sales and marketing, sales funnels, real estate, investing, all that stuff. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to see future content like this, and smash that bell to be notified when I release a future video. That being said, let's dive right in to Genius Messenger CRM. So this software is pretty much built for Facebook at this time. It works inside Messenger. So it's a Chrome extension. There are several browsers you can use. I think Microsoft Edge, Chrome. Those are some of the more popular ones. I want to say Opera, and there's a couple other ones. But for now, we're focused on Messenger. So that's the initial launch. It's built out to turn your Facebook Messenger into a CRM, so you never lose track of your leads. And basically, you can schedule follow-up notifications and automate your messaging. And it's going to save you a ton of time if you're always using Facebook to talk to clients. You can create some cool canned messages that will just be right there for you to pull out of your hat. You can save images, text, all kinds of stuff that you want to use again and again. So I partnered on this with a bunch of people who I've grown to know. The founder of this software, called Ed Akehurst. So he's a really good guy. He's in a lot of software. He's been into online marketing for years. Very reputable. And this is him here. In this video, he's kind of walking you through the software, some of the features, who it's for, and stuff like that. And then we get a sneak peek at what it's going to look like. So these are actual product shots here, and I'll just play this for a minute here so you can watch. Let me zoom in. So these are some of the tags. Basically, you can tag all your friends to sort them by tag. This will be like a sales pipeline, so you can easily rearrange the order there. And you can also easily move a person through the sales pipeline as they advance. Basically, once you click into a tag, this is what it's going to show you here. Your list of friends. You can add a note and later go see those notes. You can delete them individually. Over time, after more development's done, we're going to be able to drag and rearrange those notes. Right now, it's just going to be notes for the initial launch. You can set notifications here. So that's going to be an awesome feature. So you'll never miss following up with a lead. You can see here, you can change the colors of all your tags, so you can just visually know where someone is. Here's some templates. So these are like your canned messages, and they'll be underneath, easy for you to access. This will overlay here inside Messenger, so you can easily see where everyone is by tag. You can kind of see here, you can just shoot these templates right off, right from inside Messenger. So a lot of this is going to just save you a ton of time. It's also making sure you don't lose track of anyone. You can see here for the initial launch, we're going to be doing some discounted pricing. It's going to go through a lot of revisions, and we'll just be improving this. We may look to expand as well to other platforms outside of Messenger. But if this is something you're interested in, either as a user or if you think you have an audience for this that would benefit from having a CRM inside Messenger, let me know. Ed is taking about 20 or so more partners on, and then that partnership will be shut down. No one else will be able to join. So I'm actually a charter partner. You can see here, now we're looking for more founding partners, and that's going to help us fund the continuous development. So we do have a team of developers working on this. So it's not just a set it and forget it. You'll be able to export all your data from the CRM to an external spreadsheet. So we're going to do some really cool stuff with this. It's going to be a good product, and it pairs well with some other products we already have, like Friend Connector. So if you're interested in this, just drop a comment below. I'll post a link somewhere below here in the description or the comments as well. And you can just reach out to me if you're interested in either the partnership or if you want a discounted price when this actually launches. So you can see here, I'm a charter partner. There's a few of us. I think there's about 12 of us when we first got started. And we kind of all put our input in, what we think the feature set should be. And it's just going to be a great product. We do have more partnerships available. So it looks like there's 24 currently. Once those are filled up, they're gone. So if you become a founding partner, you'll get your name here. I think Ed's going to shoot a video for you just to let people know that you are a partner. You're an authorized reseller of this. And you'll be able to easily create accounts for people. And you collect 100% of the money too. So it's a really low entry cost of a business. So if that's something you're interested in trying, reach out to me and I'll put you in touch with Ed. But other than that, hope you guys have a good day. This will be coming soon, like I said. And I'll post a link also to Friend Connector. And just think about how these two will work in parallel. That's really got me excited to tap into the full potential of both of these tools. So, that being said, I'll see you on the next video, and you guys have a good day.